towards the end of the final corner here. Brad Anderson, all 37 years old of him. He hits the checkered flag. He goes 1-1 here at home. He will take the red plate. Anderson will win race 2 here of what has been a very, very difficult race. The number 55 on the EcoMax Fuels KTM will cross the line in a few moments' time in second position, but that will be good enough for him to take the overall victory because Anderson was 13th in race 1 yesterday. But Kress takes the win here in Mantova. 3 wins for the season now, and Mike Kress celebrating as he heads past his team in pit lane. Mike Kress comes from 14 points down. He wins here with a double moto win and takes over the championship lead. Looking at win number 4 here and second overall in Russia, but Anderson will win the race, and he will take the championship leader's red plate. But Kellett, what a fantastic performance for him. But exiting the penultimate turn, the final jump here, swinging through this final left. What a debut in EMX2 two-stroke presented by FMF Racing for Ken Bengtsson, a 2-time race winner. Kress comes home second, and the new championship leader, Lusbo, happy in third. It's going to be all square as we head into Turkey for the final round. But last lap here, last corner, Manuel Jacobi takes the checkered flag. He makes it a double moto win, takes his first ever podium and first ever overall. Mike Kress, victorious here in the final race of the year. But it's been quite a journey for him. He had a second in race 1 at Matsley Basin before picking up a DNF because of a mechanical problem. But he's bounced back and responded in pure Champions style, 2 wins and a second, and he rounds it out with the overall victory here in Turkey. Mike Krass, EcoMax Fuels, European Champions 2019.